Welcome back to another video. My Camaro turns 34 months of ownership to me. We are just shy of 3 years. I am going to lose my bumper-to-bumper warranty in 2 months. Actually runs out on August the 29th, 3 days before I took delivery of the car, which I guess is when they registered it. It's an early 50s jet. I believe it's the CT-133, flown by the Royal Canadian Air Force. Looks pretty wild. And I thought, you know, let's make one really great tribute video to the car, to Canada. Everybody knows I'm Canadian at this point with all the winter driving videos, but I really wouldn't be me. I really wouldn't be doing what I'm doing if my government hadn't have spent millions of dollars on my healthcare and got me through all my struggles as a child. So cheers, and thank you to everybody who served, serves, will serve. Canada's a pretty special place. And until you spend some time here, you'll never really understand why we are Canadian and what that means. But boy, are we ever Canadian. So, onto the car, 34 months. We are just shy of 60,000 K. I believe we're 57,900. Powertrain warranty runs out at 60,000. So, it should line up that the powertrain will run out, right when the 3-year mark runs up, which is pretty good. I would hate to have no kilometers on it, not know what's going to break. I still got to get the engine covers replaced. I still got to get the illuminated door jambs, which I do plan on doing. I do want to drop the car off this week, get the transmission flushed, get the diff flushed, and get everything that kind of needs to be replaced. Look how big this car is. I mean, that jet is something pretty special and pretty big, and this car still holds its own. So, yeah, car's running well, driving great. Obviously, I've had some issues at the track, but beyond that, it's been absolutely flawless. I have been thinking lately about selling it. I don't know, it's been kind of heartbreaking. Just to give you guys a little bit of information on what I've been doing lately, because I haven't been making videos, obviously. I've been in the process of canceling my wedding. There's so much to unpack on that statement alone, and I don't want to do it any injustice, so that will be a future video. My heart is just shattered, and I just have had no drive or desire to do a whole lot of anything, which includes drive the car, race the car, mod the car, film it, talk about it. I just haven't really cared, which again, I've just been thinking, you know what, my life would just be a lot simpler if I didn't have it and have the burden and the payments and the upkeep and all of the work I put into it. It is never ending. And it's not that I'm bitter or upset about it. I love this car. I love the opportunity that I've had to have this car and create the channel and do everything I do, but I could do a lot of video work without it. This car was just a launching point, and I'm not saying I am selling it. I'm just saying I've been thinking about it. The bike has a lot more sentimental value to me, so I'd probably hold on to that bad girl. She really doesn't owe me a dime either. It's actually worth a fair bit. And I don't know. I mean, I could buy another Camaro. It wouldn't be a big deal. So it's just some stuff I've been throwing around, and I thought I'd keep you guys in the loop. Aside from that, the car's great. It's literally unbelievable. There's never a minute I don't spend in it smiling and just so happy to be able to be doing what I'm doing and be a part of it. You will notice I have cleaned my exhaust tips. It's probably the first time in 3 or 4 months, and it'll probably be the last time those tips ever get cleaned. There's a hint. Let's just say I've been hustling like crazy for a year, and some of the things I've been working on are finally starting to come to fruition. So that's the car. I just love everything about it. It's literally a dream car. It is a dream come true. It's become quite the art piece. I kind of took a note out of the Street Speed 717 category. If they don't love it, they'll hate it. Either way, they're talking about it. And I love it. I get so many compliments. This car in person is completely different than anything else you will experience. And everybody says it looks one way online and it's another way in person. I feel like that's one of the greatest compliments I've ever received. So that's it. The car is just everything, I guess. Started the channel, keeps me motoring. So I'd love to start up a conversation. What mods do you guys think I should still do if I do keep the car? I am thinking motor work over everything else. Cosmetically, I don't really know what more you're going to get into. She's stickered as much as she could be stickered. She's got all the wings, all the wings. I mean, if you had to pick a checklist and say, do you want a front or back wing? The answer would be yes. And how about the extra wings? The answer would still be yes. So, I don't know. I'm just always trying to run ideas and keep life moving forward. Trying to sort stuff out with my best friend, obviously. And we all know that family is far, far, far more important than a car. So, I am going to stop talking with this relatively picturesque moment. And hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.